Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5910 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, you need to turn on your watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the side button. After you see the Hama logo on the screen, you can release the button and after a second or two the watch should turn on. After the watch turns on, we need to download and install the Hama Fit Pro application on our phone. So let's open the Play Store on our phone, tap on search, type in Hama Fit Pro and then tap search. You should see this application right here, Hama Fit Pro, developed by Hama. Now let's tap on install button to install the app. Once the app is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. In the application, let's swipe left to continue and then tap on start setup. Tap on agree. Now we can agree to allow the permission for the location. You can also deny it if you want to. I'm gonna allow it because I'm sure if you deny it, you won't be able to pair the devices. As you can see, the app found our watch 5910. Select it by tapping on it and then tap on confirm bind device. Now we can set up a profile for us. So I'm just gonna skip through it, but you can set up different things like gender, weight, height and stuff like that. It's gonna go through. And here we can allow or deny some more permissions. I'm gonna allow them. And now we can tap on device option or icon right here. As you can see, we have the device page right here and our watch should be connected to our phone at this point. So if I open, for example, other settings, for some reason, it took it a while to sync, but as you can see, once the device synced with our phone, you can see the things like the name of the device, firmware version, address, MAC address, app version and stuff like that. So basically, now we know for sure that the device is connected to our phone and the devices are paired together. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.